Just after the statement of Russian aviation industry that Russia is waiting for a request from the Indian Ministry of Defence for the delivery of additional MiG-29K carrier-borne fighter jets for India's second aircraft carrier INS Vikrant, Boeing has instantly announced its plans to conduct a ski jump test of its F-18 fighter jet, and the arrival of Boeing has heated up the conversation on several fronts. Top experts have said that the MiG-29K is a different beast altogether, and is considered a 4+ generation fighter jet which is equipped with a multifunction radar system, and it also carries anti-radar anti-ship air-to-air systems and several surface precision-guided systems. The MiG-29K has a higher top speed of 2,200 km per hour, as compared to 1,915 km per hour of the F-18 Super Hornets, but the MiG-29K has a much lower range of 2,000 km, as compared to massive 3,330 km range of F-18 Super Hornet. The higher speed of MiG-29 will give it an advantage in a close-in dogfight, but the F-18 Super Hornet will offer better situational awareness for the pilot, which is a critical factor in aerial combat. INS Vikrant is due to be delivered to the Indian Navy in the first quarter of 2021, and India will be issuing a formal tender for 57 carrier-borne fighter jets in the next few months, in which both Russia and the United States are seen as close competitors after the French Rafale fighter jet. A top defense analyst has said that the idea is completely wrong that aircraft carriers are losing their combat value, as the aircraft carriers are far more survivable than the fixed land bases. He also said that new generation carriers can generate 300% more electricity than existing carriers, and can increase daily aircraft sortie rates by about 25%. The biggest game changer will be the introduction of an Indian carrier-borne stealth fighter jet, which will be invisible to enemy radar systems and networked sensors, making the Indian air wings and carriers more combat effective. Philippines is all set to sign the contract for 2 batteries of BrahMos systems with India, and officials have said that the deal will be signed in the first quarter of 2020. The CEO and Managing Director of BrahMos Aerospace has said that a naval ship usually has a radar that can only see up to 20 kilometers, and the speed of the BrahMos system is 970 meters per second, and thus the enemy ship will get only 22 seconds to react to the incoming BrahMos cruise system. All Indian naval ships guarding the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea have been equipped with BrahMos systems, and there are currently 8 different variants for different platforms like naval ships, Su-30 fighter jets, submarines and land systems. The Indian Defence Minister has projected that India's annual defence exports will touch 35,000 crore rupees by 2024, from the current level of 17,000 crore rupees. India will offer the Tejas Mark 1 to the price-sensitive market of Southeast Asia, and Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet to those countries where technology dictates the decision-making. As per latest media reports, Pakistan has offered Turkey to join projects related to the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which might see the deployment of Turkish soldiers in the region. Pakistan has already inducted a 17,000-ton fleet tanker built by a Turkish shipyard, and Turkey has also signed a deal for exporting 4 corvettes to the Pakistan Navy, a Turkish anti-torpedo system on Pakistani submarines, and 30 T-129 helicopters for its army.